Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So today we are going to create one different project, okay? And please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want the latest notification, okay? And whatever project you want, you can just put in a comment section. So in the next video, you will get that project, okay? So first I will run this project. I will show you, okay? See, whatever shape you want, you can draw in this project. So the project name is Fire Tenders Project, okay? See, whatever shape you want, you can create. So this is our first shape. After that, if you want to draw your second shape, so this is our second shape, see, which is triangle, okay? After that, you will get your third shape. See, so this is your third step. Okay, now you will get your next shape. See, so now we will see how we will create these shapes. Okay, so for that we have to take one new project. So I will explain you how you will take your new project. You need to just search for Scratch. Then you need to click on this link scratch.mit.edu, and now you have to just click on create. Okay, so once you will click on create project, you will get one new project. So first I will delete this cat. After that, what is our next step? We need to add one backdrop. So how you will add your backdrop? You have to just click on choose a backdrop option. Whatever backdrop you want, you can select, or else if you want to draw your own backdrop, so for that, instead of click on choose a backdrop, you need to click on paint. So you will get one paint area. So which color do you want? You have to select that color. Suppose I want black color, black square. First you need to click on square, change your color, and then by using your mouse, you can draw that. Okay. See? So this is our black background. After that, in the same way, we have to draw our sprite also. So we need to just click on paint option. So what will happen? You will get your paint. Okay. Now over here also how you will draw. You need to first select this square, and we have to draw a very little square like this. So in this way, you can draw how many shapes you want. You have to add all those sprites, okay? Now I will show you the coding part, okay? So first thing, we have to add some events, okay? So see, this is our design part. It means we added one backdrop and we added one sprite. So this is our design part. So how you will add your coding, okay? So always we have to start from event, like when flag is clicked, okay? So when flag is clicked, if you want to add a sound, so even you can do that, where you will get your sound in a sound section. Click on this sound, click on choose a sound, whatever sound you want, you can just select that, okay? Whatever sound do you like, you can just select that. Suppose if you want happy birthday sound. So we have seen. So I want to add this one. Just you need to go to the sound and you have to start a happy birthday sound. See, you will get your sound. After that, I want to first hide the block. When I click on the flag, I want to hide, and after some time I want to show that. Okay, so we have to take a hide. Then which position you want, so from which position you want to start your shape. So always we will start from the middle, so where you will get your fixed position in the motion, you will get your go to x and y. So here we will make a 0 0 means middle position. Okay, then what direction you want. Okay, so that is this direction, in which by using which direction you want to start your project. You want to start from right, down, left, or up. So I want to start from the left direction. Okay, after that we have to create one variable. Why? Because if you want to draw more shape, so if you want to store all those shapes, so we have to create one variable. Suppose I want to write my variable name shape. Okay, you need to just click on okay. So you will get a shape variable. So now we will set our shape to 0. Okay, understood how you will create your new variable? You need to just click on variable, make a variable, write down your variable. So from where you will get your pin option, how you will draw your shapes. So for that, as you can see in the left side corner part, we have a add extension. You need to just click on that and click on this paint option. Okay. So what will happen once you will click on your paint option? So first we have to pin down. Means here you will get everything which is related to pin. Now we have to erase everything, and now we will start. Okay. So what pen shade you want? Okay. So where you will get your pen shade, even you can select your pen color also. Okay. After that we want to down our pen in the color. You will get saturation, brightness, transparency. Even your in a change pane, you will get that. Okay, so each and everything you will get here. Okay. After that, we want to pin down. So you have to take this pin down. Now, first what we want to wait for some time. Okay, where you will get your wait block inside the control. After waiting for 1 second. So how many times you want to repeat this? Okay. So suppose I want to repeat this 10 times. Okay. So again in here, we have to take one more repeat. Why? Because we want to repeat our inner block also. Okay, see, if you will see this. So this is your outer block. How many times you want to repeat? And after that, we have an inner block also. Okay. So we want to repeat that 3 times. After that, what pen size you want? Okay. So you need to just click on pen. So set pen size. Suppose I want my pen size as a 1 and I want to move. So you have to just take this move. Instead of 10 step, we want to move by our variable. Okay. So you need to just go to the variable. You have to take your shape. Means whatever shape you want, you can just take. And here we will put. Okay. After that, what is our next part? If we want to turn, so how we will do that? So where you will get your turn part inside the motion, we have that. See, instead of this 50 degree, I want to first turn by like a 360, divide by 3. Okay, so where you will get, you need to just go to this operators. Okay, so we want to turn by 360, means we want to draw this circle, but in a 3 time. Okay, after that, which point in direction you want, again you need to take your point in direction. Now I have to change little bit. Instead of this 90, what I will do, whatever direction I have. Okay, so first we need to take this minus, and we have to minus by 120. Why? Because see, 360 divided by 3, you will get 120. So whatever direction we will get here, we have to minus by 120. Okay, so here you will get your direction, and here minus 120. Okay, after that, after waiting for some time, so again you will get your wait block here. If you want to change your pen color, instead of 0, I want to wait for little, and then whatever pen color you want, you can set here. So where you will get that, again in your pen, you can select this pen color. Whatever color you want, just select that. Suppose I want to add a red color. Now you have to change your shape. So where you will get, inside the variable, we have change. Okay. So instead of my variable, we will take our shape. Instead of 1, we have to change by 0.2. Okay. After that, what we have to do now, again we have to take one more repeat. Okay, so when you will get your more repeat, you need to just click on this repeat block where you will get inside the control. We have to repeat this again. Again, we want to repeat that only 3 times. Whatever pen size you want. So for, see now, if I will run, you will get only 1 rhyme. Okay. Now, whatever pen size you want, you need to first select that. So just go to the pen. I want the pen size to little bit border width. Okay. Then again we have to move. So what you will do, just go to the motion, add your move pen step, but we want to move by our shape. Okay. Then you need to again turn. So I will turn, but now as you can see, this is 360 divided by 3. Now I want to move by 4 because we have to create a square. So what you will do, you have to take your turn. Okay, then just go to the operators, take this divide. So now we have to divide this 360 divide by 4. Again we need to change our tile. So where we will get that, inside the variable, we have change. Instead of my variable, we will take a shape, and instead of 1, we will change by 0.2. Okay, then whatever pen color you want to change, you have to select that. Okay, so again you need to just click on your pen. You will get your change pen color. Instead of 10, you can take a little bit good color, which is 5. Even you can Now, again, we want to draw one more shape. So again, we have to repeat that. Okay. So instead of 10, we want to repeat that one time. Again, you have to move. So now we have to move by our shape. Okay. Then after that, we have to wait for 1 or 2 seconds and then we can end this. Now see, if I will run, see, you will get. But if you want more, so instead of this 10, we can write 50. So you will get that shape but more time. See? Okay. If you want more time, so instead of 50, we can take 70. So you will get that shape entire in this area. Okay. Now see your shape value. Okay. So in this way, we can draw any shape. After that, you can rename your project. We can write the project name, file, 10 days, and you can share your project with your family member, with your friends. Okay. What you have to do, you need to just click on copy the link and paste wherever you want. Okay. So in this way, we can draw any good shape. Okay. So please like, share, and subscribe our video and press the bell icon if you want more updates. Okay. So thank you so much for joining this. Thank you so much.